Are you looking for a helmet that provides race level performance with touring related comforts? Well, then this helmet is for you. Hi, I'm Pinlock from GT House, and in today's video we are going to talk about the FF327 Challenger by LS2. First up, let's talk about what's in the box with this helmet. Give me a second. What you get with the helmet is, well, three things. You get a Pinlock, which is the Pinlock 70 Max Vision. You get a neck roll, which is basically an airbag that goes around your neck. It helps you prevent injuries to the neck, as well as takes a little bit of the weight of the helmet. And you also get glass tabs. Basically, it pinches the inner cushion, creating more room for your specs. So if you are somebody who wears specs while you're riding, this might be something that's fairly interesting to you. Now let's keep all of this to the side and come back to the helmet. As you can see, this is a full face road sports helmet, and now let's talk about the construction of the helmet. So now let's talk about the construction of the helmet. As you can see, this is a full face sports riding / touring kind of a helmet, and the outer shell is made out of HPFC, which is High Performance Fiber Composite. So it has a lot of strength in the shell. It's not the best because you do get carbon fiber shells as well, but fiber composite is the next best when it comes to that, and it is pretty lightweight. For this helmet, the weight is 1420 grams plus minus 50 grams, so that is fairly lightweight. The helmet also comes with a very high quality visor. This visor is Pinlock ready, and it is made out of 3D optically correct class A polycarbonate, so very high quality in terms of its specs. The helmet also comes with removable, washable, hypoallergenic comfort liners on the inside. So and also they have the emergency release system, so in case you have a crash, it's easy to get the pads out and then you can safely remove the head from the helmet. And further inside, which you probably will not be able to see, you get channeled multi-density EPS. Multi-density because it takes care of the fit, comfort and protection. So places where there are higher chances of impact, the thickness of the EPS inside is more, and where there are slightly lower chances of impact, the thickness is a little bit less. So it helps keep the helmet a little bit lighter. And what I mean by channeled is, there are small inlets inside the EPS lining which allows a lot of air to go into the helmet, pass through the helmet and come out. And now, talking about air, let's talk about the ventilation of the helmet. Taking care of the ventilation, there are multiple intake ports. On the front, you have a two-step vent at the chin, which not only provides a lot of ventilation inside the helmet, but also to the visor, so it helps in defogging the helmet. To open the helmet and get a little bit of a fresh breath, what you have to do is press this button and push upwards, so you can detent the helmet a little bit up, and you can open it as well. Apart from this, you also have an operatable vent on your brow area, which again filters down onto the visor, again providing a nice breath of air over there. And again, at the back, right on top of the helmet, you have two operatable vents. So in total, you have 1, 2 and 4 intake vents. Talking about exhaust ports or output vents, we have 2 operatable exhaust ports on the back, as you can see over here, one on either side, and on the sides you have 2 other exhaust ports as well. So one on this side here and one on the other side. So this helmet specifically moves a lot of air, and I'm sure you're going to feel very, very comfortable and well ventilated with this helmet. And not to miss things, the helmet also comes with a dual visor system, so you can have your visor down, and that's what I meant when I talked about touring comfort. It has a very large internal sun visor, as you can see, and the visor itself is also scratch and UV resistant. So top marks there when it comes to the construction quality of the helmet. A lot of you will also want to know what certifications this helmet has received. This comes with the ECE 22.05 certification, and I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but it also has the ISI mark, so there's no problems with you wearing this helmet anywhere across India. Lots of performance helmets usually miss out on a very simple and practical thing of comfort, and by that I mean the closure system, and that's where this helmet really makes touring very comfortable with it. It comes with a metallic micrometric buckle system, not the double D ring that most sports or track based helmets will come with, thus making life a little bit easier when you want to take this helmet on and off. Well, that about sums up the features and specs when it comes to the FF327 Challenger. At GT House, we have these three colors available with us in stock right now for purchase. So you have this one, you have this one, and then you have this one for the people who like a little bit of fluo action. And for those who just want that carbon fiber helmet, we have something special for you. And this is it. This is the FF327 Challenger in the carbon fiber shell. So when it comes with the carbon fiber, the weight goes down drastically. It's now only 1280 grams plus or minus 50 grams, and we have this colorway right now in stock with us, which is the carbon grey gloss and red accents, as you can see. Apart from that, nothing much changes about what's in the box, and the features all remain the same. It's just that the shell is now made out of carbon fiber, and the price also increases a bit thanks to the carbon fiber construction. Well, that covers our quick spotlight on the FF327 Challenger helmet series. Do you have any questions about these helmets? Feel free to use the comment section below, or simply DM us on Instagram. Our ID there is @GThouse_. And with that, thanks for watching.